Are you tired of boring workouts that don't deliver results? What if I told you that you can achieve incredible results with just 5 simple exercises? No fancy equipment, no endless reps, and no movement required. These powerful isometric moves will ignite your strength, boost endurance, and transform your fitness game, all from wherever you are. Ready to unleash your full potential? Hit that like button, subscribe for more game-changing fitness tips, and let's jump right in. Number 1, the isometric squat. Can you imagine building strong, powerful legs and sculpting your glutes without even moving a muscle? It might sound surprising, but the isometric squat delivers incredible results by simply holding a static position. This deceptively simple exercise is one of the most effective for enhancing lower body strength, improving muscle endurance, and fostering joint stability. Unlike traditional squats where you move up and down, the isometric squat requires you to hold your body in a squat position, keeping your muscles under constant tension. This sustained contraction helps engage multiple muscle groups, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. As a bonus, maintaining proper form throughout the exercise strengthens your core and encourages better posture. How to perform the isometric squat. Stand with your back against a wall and lower yourself until your knees form a 90-degree angle. Keep your feet flat on the ground, hip width apart. Hold the position without moving, engaging your quads and glutes. Breathe deeply and focus on keeping your body stable. Beginners can start by holding the position for 30 seconds, gradually increasing to 45 seconds, 1 minute, or longer. Since this exercise is so practical, it can easily be incorporated into your daily routine, whether during a break at work, while watching TV, or even while listening to music. Number 2, the isometric push-up. Have you ever thought that staying still could be harder than moving? The isometric push-up proves exactly that. This powerful exercise demands extreme effort from your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, pushing your body to build remarkable strength and endurance without the need for dynamic movement. By simply holding your body in a push-up position, you engage stabilizer muscles intensely, enhancing control, stability, and muscular endurance. Unlike traditional push-ups that rely on repetitive movement, the isometric push-up challenges your muscles to maintain a static hold as you lower yourself and sustain your body weight for an extended period. Stronger muscles, improved stability, and a more powerful upper body. How to perform the isometric push-up. Get into a push-up position with your hands aligned with your shoulders and feet extended back. Lower your body slowly until your elbows form a 90-degree angle. Hold the position, engaging your core and glutes while keeping your body straight from head to heels. Start by holding for 20 to 30 seconds, gradually increasing over time. Beyond increasing muscle endurance, the isometric push-up strengthens the core, improves stability, and helps prevent back pain. This exercise is perfect for home workouts as it requires no equipment but delivers powerful results. Number 3, the Superman exercise. Have you ever dreamed of having a strong, upright posture like a real superhero? The Superman exercise might just be your key to unlocking that strength. This highly effective movement targets your back, glutes, and shoulders, helping to improve posture and relieve lower back pain. While simple in appearance, the exercise activates the deep muscles along the spine, providing essential stability and endurance. Given the amount of time most of us spend sitting or slouching, our lower backs often suffer from weakness and poor posture. The Superman exercise helps correct these imbalances by strengthening the muscles that support your spine, empowering you to stand taller and move with confidence. How to perform the Superman exercise. Lie face down with your arms extended forward and legs straight. Simultaneously lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground, engaging your back and glute muscles. Keep your gaze down to avoid straining your neck. Hold the position for 5 to 10 seconds, then slowly return to the starting position. Beginners can start with 5 to 8 repetitions, gradually increasing the duration of the hold and the number of reps. In addition to strengthening the back, this exercise improves balance, coordination, and muscle endurance, making it an excellent tool for postural health and injury prevention. Number 4, the dead hang. Have you ever tried hanging from a pull-up bar without moving? At first glance, it might seem simple, but don't be fooled. The dead hang is one of the most powerful isometric exercises for building grip strength, boosting upper body endurance, and enhancing shoulder mobility. As you suspend your body weight from the bar, your forearms, shoulders, and core are all activated, working together to maintain stability. Beyond physical strength, the dead hang helps relieve shoulder stiffness and decompresses the spine, offering much-needed relief from the strain of daily life. It's a deceptively challenging move with impressive results. How to perform the dead hang. Find a sturdy pull-up bar that can support your weight. Grip the bar with your hands shoulder-width apart, palms facing forward, pronated grip. Allow your body to hang freely, keeping your shoulders relaxed and your core engaged. Hold the position for as long as possible, starting with 20 to 30 seconds and increasing over time. By incorporating the dead hang into your routine, you'll develop stronger hands, forearms, and shoulders, which will translate to improved performance in pull-ups, weightlifting, and even everyday tasks. Number 5, the plank. The plank is your answer. It may appear simple, but don't let its straightforward appearance fool you. It demands intense muscle activation. This full-body exercise challenges your core, enhances stability, and builds endurance throughout multiple muscle groups. By engaging your entire body to maintain a straight and steady posture, the plank promotes better balance, body alignment, and strength, making it a powerful addition to any fitness routine. How to perform the plank. Place your forearms on the floor, aligning your elbows with your shoulders. Extend your legs straight back, supporting yourself on the balls of your feet. Engage your core and glutes, maintaining a straight line from your head to your heels. Avoid letting your hips drop or arching your lower back. Proper alignment is key. Beginners should try holding the position for 30 seconds, gradually increasing to 45 seconds, 1 minute, or longer. Beyond toning your abs, the plank enhances muscular endurance throughout the body and boosts mind-body connection as it requires focus to maintain a stable posture. Ready to take your fitness journey to the next level? Start incorporating these isometric exercises into your routine and watch your strength, stability, and endurance skyrocket. Which exercise do you think will challenge you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more workout tips and stay motivated on your fitness journey.